Hi viewers, today I'm gonna try Duncan Hines chocolate fudge cake. Duncan Hines cake mix are great and very handy. Plus, they can be transformed into bakery style cakes. Let's get started. In a large mixing bowl, according to instruction, I'm gonna add cake mix, vegetable oil, one cup water, 3 large eggs. Beat at low speed until moistened, then medium speed for 2 minutes. Grease the sides and bottom of a pan. Place a parchment paper, pour batter and bake immediately. Preheat oven 350 Fahrenheit. Bake for 45 minutes until a toothpick insert in the center of the cake comes out clean. Set the timer for 45 minutes. It's done. Let's take out from oven. Allow the cake to cool completely before adding frosting. You can see the cake is incredibly moist and rich, like a homemade cake. Now I'm going to trim them, level them, and give this cake a crumb coat. Let's prepare frosting. Chill a bowl and the beaters of a hand mixer in a freezer for 30 minutes. Note that this process is important. Don't skip it. Add 2 cups chilled whipping cream, 3 tablespoons granulated sugar, and half a teaspoon vanilla extract. And whisk on low speed, gradually increase the speed. Whisk until the cream is smooth. Spread the cream evenly on top of the cold cake. Place a layer of cake on top of the filling. Feel free to make sure it's evenly placed. If you have more than 2 layers, repeat the same process. Decorate as you like. Let's cut the cake and plate it. Wow! Look at the cake, how moist it is. That's it. Enjoy your chocolate fudge cake. I hope you liked the video. Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.